So as we said in the last video, I'm officially off now. I'm no longer working, so therefore I am working on the cab over, and I am just feeling like, you know, I need some help.
Hey Shy, do you need a help?
Oh my gosh, look who's here! It's my best friend! We're so thankful for Caitlin to come by today.
We're gonna check everything off of the board in one day. Just wait. No, they've done so much more work than it seems. Like, I got to take a walk around, and this thing is gonna be turned around in a heartbeat. It looks really good. It's gonna be so rewarding when it's finished.
Thanks, Kate.
All hands on deck.
Yes! Woo! Wish us luck, guys.
I'm gonna be famous, Mom. Oh, it's already on.
Yeah, it's already on. Yeah. So we've been brainstorming and we have a plan of attack.
Yes.
I am going to use my sander, the slightly bigger sander, and get some of the bigger spots. And Caitlin here,
I've got a little detailer sander. We'll see how long this lasts because it does overheat and it's really hot out here today. And then I have a little hand sander. And little tip for trick, it's thinner than like this surface area, so you can always wrap like a spare piece of wood. This one has nails, so don't do it with nails. But if you wrap a blank piece of wood, you can sand little pieces. So I'm gonna do all the detail work so that Shy and Jake don't have to do that stuff. I can do the tedious work just to speed up the process.
Thanks, Kate.
Yeah.
All right, and so we're gonna hop to it.
Yes. Safety gear on. Game plan ready.
Yes.
Let's do this. It's not a true project if you don't look silly doing it. Okay, we are on the Cait Cam. An important part of any project is eating. Oh, I couldn't get the gate open, but I just did. So I am dairy-free. We've got dairy-free made good granola snacks. This is not sponsored. And Shy probably hasn't shown anyone her amazing garden. This is just one side. It goes all the way around, wraps all the way around. I'm gonna eat some of these as my snack. I mean, come on. Life is good. Now back to your subscribed content.
We're gonna get our fridge. Bodega fridge, and it has 2 doors. No longer is it going to be one full door for our fridge. We're going to have a freezer and a fridge, which is going to be
nice.
Awesome.
I'm living the dream. Break time is lasting a little long, but we might go get Togos, but I'm enjoying my snack so far. Okay, our attempt at
moving this fridge because we're just so strong, you know. We don't need no men today.
Solo women on the move. Watch us not be able to get it in.
Thank you, bud.
I'm just kidding. With that determination, that we
Got
this.
this. Oh! Yeah! Yeah.
That's so funny. The realization. So there's little tiny nooks and crannies. What is that, Shy?
I think it's glue. And it's all over.
We thought we sanded here, and now once removing the glue, we actually sanded on top of whatever that sticky stuff is.
More glue.
More glue, or oil, or just sticky stuff.
Oh, it's terrible. And I was telling Caitlin, I feel like I'm like hand carving a masterpiece over here.
This has been loved back to life, I'm telling you. No, you're doing great. We got this. Sanding is almost done.
Yeah.
Woo!
What time is it, Caitlin?
It's 2:16 and it's time to eat.
We're exhausted and we've been working for what I would say like at least
Hours.
3-4 hours
Yeah.
now on this, and I think it's about time we take a break to eat. We are a bit cooked out and there is just so many tedious little things that I think we just always forget in the cab over, you know? And then once you start getting into it, you start seeing all these little details, and yeah, it is time consuming.
It's crazy because like you look at these slots of wood and you don't realize every single side needs to be sanded.
I've been
Well,
here
like
already.
You're rabid. Like these masks don't work for me. My chin is inside, right here. It should be somewhere, you know, a little, it's right here. Is that the middle of it? It's just cupping my chin.
I don't think these masks are made for us.
We're making it work.
Yeah, we're making it work.
I definitely can't breathe. But we're doing it, dude.
I know.
And now, hamburgers.
Yes.
And more tomatoes.
Yes, because Jake's back.
Woo!
It's no longer girls' day. We're now getting fed.
It was fun while it lasted.
Revived. Revived. Thank you.
Fresh from the garden. Fresh, super hot, piping hot off the grill.
From the garden.
From the garden. And there's a burger tree. You guys should get one. So good.
Pizza plant.
Yeah. And there's a money tree back there too, right?
We don't show people that.
Like you said, we're full of them.
So, we are back to the back of Cheyenne's garden. And I get to bring home my own zucchini. There it is. Yes. Okay. Oh. Oh my
Yep,
god.
there we go.
I'm so excited. Thank you so
Yay.
much. They
You're
fed
welcome.
me and I get food to take home. It's a good day.
We did it. We sanded for not only one day, 2 days. 2 days of sanding. But we got it done.
Elbow grease
Yes.
and caffeine.
Yes.
And Cheyenne's tomatoes.
Motivation.
Motivation, that's what got us
And
through.
the Caitlin energy that we so needed here. So,
Caffeine shot.
yes. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this special edition of Caitlin here today. She was such a big help. If I didn't have her for this project, I probably would have been stuck with this for like at least a week. So she definitely helped us keep on track. But thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for our next episode where we get to prime and paint and many other things. But I hope you enjoyed today.